Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must start with the essentials: latest Dolphin and a recognized controller. First, plug in or pair the controller, then make sure the OS lists it as connected. Next, open Dolphin, go to Controllers and select Port 1 Configure. You're about to map inputs, choose device type and profile. Once done, save a profile name you'll reuse. This saves time and prevents accidental resets. Keep Dolphin running as you test inputs. That immediate feedback is how you verify everything works. Now map every control and understand why each option matters. Assign face buttons and triggers first, then calibrate both analog sticks, change dead zones to about 0, 5 to 0, 15 to eliminate drift while keeping responsiveness. Choose stick type that matches the game, normal or utility, for example. For Xbox controllers, use X input to get rumble and proper axis mapping. If using a Wiimote or GC adapter, enable the emulator's special device mode. Once done, test with a quick in-game action to confirm mapping. Finish by saving your controller profile and backing up the controller. In iFile so you can restore settings quickly. Then test in 2 or 3 games to ensure consistency. If something goes wrong, recalibrate the controller in your operating system first, and make sure Dolphin's backend isn't conflicting. Switch between Direct 3D, OpenGL, or Vulkan to see improvements. If you experience stick drift, increase the dead zone gradually or repair the device. And make sure firmware and drivers are up to date before blaming the emulator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.